In October 2021, Tesla, an electric vehicle maker, overtook Amazon, Google parent Alphabet, Microsoft, and the most valuable company in the world to become the sixth American company in history with a market value of $1 trillion. Despite becoming the second fastest company in history, after Facebook, to reach $1 trillion valuation, Apple's stock has recently dropped. Today's video is about $1 trillion opportunity will happen at Tesla soon. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. The company's shares are projected to increase by $1 trillion. According to recent data, the EV giants are in a good position to overtake. The most valuable company in the world is Apple. How does Tesla claim to perform better than Apple, Inc.? What strategy do they employ to reach $1 trillion valuation again? Due to its multiple innovations, the solutions may surprise you, so keep reading. Since becoming a publicly traded company, Tesla's value has significantly changed. Last year, the company was estimated to be worth more than $1 trillion, surpassing the value of the top 11 automakers combined. It was valued more than 3 times as much as Toyota, with a market value of over $280 billion. One of the key contributors to Tesla's rising market price was that it was more than just a car company. An early adopter of driverless technology was the electric car manufacturer. They have made major expenditures in power management and batteries with their Powerwall in addition to their achievements in solar technology. Electric vehicles are expected to aid in the global transition to net zero, according to the science governments of the globe. A solar industry game-changer potential. Tesla, the only business that can mass-produce EVs, has a sizable investment. Since many experts believe that Tesla's stock value was considerably inflated, the company's stock price was under pressure for a while. In March 2022, it rejoined the $1 trillion club after a brief downturn, because the firm announced its intentions to split its stock in a regulatory filing. In addition, gas in the U.S. ranged between $4.24 and $4.28 per gallon. The EV giant's market capitalization has subsequently decreased once more. Many wonders if Tesla would ever reach its $1 trillion valuation, given that it is currently valued at roughly $699 billion. The Tesla CEO, Martin Bitch, responded to this question by categorically stating that the web powerhouse is in a good position to overtake Apple as the most valuable company in the world. They presented investors with Tesla's next 5-year strategy at an invitation-only Goldman Sachs tech conference when they stressed that the company does not have a demand problem given the surge in demand and that their main challenge in ramping up electric vehicle deliveries has been overcome. He emphasized that Tesla now has access to every battery supplier it requires, which is crucial because battery supply has been a major issue for EV automakers due to rising demand and pricing for battery components. Nickel with lithium. Tesla was the first company to use lithium-ion battery cells in its electric vehicles. Since then, other automakers have followed in their footsteps, which has increased demand and caused a stoppage in the manufacture of numerous EVs to get battery components and jumpstart production before rival automakers. Relationships have been established between Tesla and both up-and-coming mining companies and established mining Goliaths like Vale, BHP, Nickel West Live N, and a few more. Vi claims that the battery material supply for the EV business is important because it affects essential, including battery pack design, battery manufacturing, and cell production. The fact that there have only been 2 big manufacturing revolutions in the preceding 120 years must be kept in mind. He kept talking. The first occurred when Ford unveiled the Model T in the early 1900s, and the second occurred in the 1970s when Toyota's more affordable production strategy made automobiles widely available. Tesla is said to be the catalyst for the third industrial revolution. Comparing the internal combustion engine architecture to that of an electric vehicle is it enables the third revolution in auto manufacturing. Bitch asserts that the company has been pushing the boundaries of what it costs to develop technologies other than EVs since its inception, which supports his assertion. As a result, EVs will become much more in demand due to their cheaper production and sales costs, which will attract investors. Tesla's enhanced development, manufacturing, and design, not lower battery prices, are to blame for the recent drop in production cost to $36,000 from a projected $84,000 in 2020. Think about how Tesla's model made use of massive casting. Why did Elon Musk accept that Tesla could reduce the model to just 70 pieces in 2020? Parts are reduced from 3 to just 2 in Model Y. We are grateful for the gig casting used to make their most recent F. The F car manufacturer could do without welding while pressing, cutting, aligning, and employing robot arms. More importantly, though, Tesla's usage of gigacasting is a direct result of a long-term objective to develop a casting process that can produce an entire car chassis, much as a sizable machine that can produce full-sized cars, like miniature cars, are created. We can also comprehend how big Tesla will be when we consider that subsequent Tesla facilities using massive casting have a production capacity that exceeds those of the Fremont factory. Tesla purchased the Fremont factory in October. In the second quarter of this year, it produced its 2 millionth electric vehicle, making it the nation's most productive auto production facility. Elon Musk claims that the Gigafactory Shanghai outperforms the outstanding production capacity of the Fremont factory, which produced its millionth electric vehicle in the second quarter of this year. The Shanghai Gigafactory has also used mega casting. Mitch admitted that for Tesla to become a high-volume automaker, it needs to have a diverse portfolio. So, yeah, it is the solution. He kept on asking for models. We have no plans to introduce any new versions because demand for Models 2 and 3 have been tremendous. Thanks to our stack of batteries and the use of Giga, we will soon be able to meet demand. He claimed that more affordable EVs need to be produced by the web giants. He anticipated that the Model Y would virtually outsell all other vehicles before the business started operating its robo-taxi service. The next calendar year, Tesla, he continued, has no plans to abandon its self-driving ambitions because they are crucial to the company's growth. He emphasized that over 100,000 people use Tesla's fully autonomous vehicles on U.S. city streets. Accordingly, Tesla may start distributing the software solution to their vehicles by the end of depending on the data they now have. Therefore, we can assume that Tesla will meet its goal of building 10 million automobiles by 2030. The operating margins of Tesla, which decreased from 19.2% to 14.6% in the second quarter of 2022, indicate that the F-Titans are already capable of doing so, given these qualities and the cost savings from scaling production. Furthermore, Tesla's earnings in the second quarter of 2021 were higher than expected, with net income for the first time surpassing $1 billion. The company's EBITDA margin rose to 20.99% in the second quarter of 2022 from 20.42% in the first quarter. Given this pace in the EBITDA margin, we believe Tesla may overtake Apple with an adjusted EBITDA margin of 33% in the 5 years since Apple's high. Keep in mind that a future recession or another macroeconomic slump could hinder Tesla's ambition in the years to come. But we also need to think about Tesla. It might meet the need and put us in a great position to anticipate these issues, especially supply issues and Nest. Do you believe Tesla will surpass in the coming years? Apple is the most valuable firm in the world. Do you believe they are equipped to deal with any macroeconomic challenges? Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.